Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to talk about how to convert PDF to Word documents on mobile. So let's dive right in. First, open your preferred browser on your mobile device. Type I love PDF in the search bar and tap on the search icon. Choose the official I love PDF website from the search results. Once the site opens, scroll down to find the PDF to Word option and tap on it. Select the PDF file you want to convert from your storage. After selecting the file, tap on the Convert to Word button. The conversion process may take some time, depending on your file size. Once the conversion is complete, download the Word file. Your PDF file is now converted to a Word document. You can open and view it, and there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.